Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser's How To series. In the previous episodes, we have seen how to create an account and map it to a broker and start your auto sync up. Subsequently, we also seen how to set up your configurations, settings, all the basic stuff which is required for the account to perform. Now comes interesting topic. How to see your journal, how to review your journal, how to make sure you get a clear clarity from the journal, how to add your notes, tags, everything in the journal to make it more comprehensive, to keep a track of it. It sounds interesting, right? Let's quickly jump into that. So to access the journal, you need to head out to the journal section over here. So in this section, you can able to see the journal on a daily basis. We provided options like this where you can see it on a daily basis in a table view, or you want to see it in a detailed grid view, that can also be seen. But also we have provided options where you can drill down to based on your filters to narrow down all the profitable days, loss days, or to a specific win rate based days as well. It's going to be comprehensively available for the users to access and review as per their needs. So the journals are created as a daily journal. So eventually you take 10 trades on a particular day, and there will be one journal that gets created and keep a track of all the trades that has happened on the particular day and calculates all the metrics for the particular journal as well. So if you see on the screen, this is for 9th of April 2026, where the net P&L was like 6,271.65. The trades that has been taken is like 8 trades. There are 2 losing trades and 6 winning trades. Win rate is like 70%. And what is the biggest win, biggest loss? All these things. Likewise, you can able to go through each and every day, the profitable days, loss days, and you can able to see the full details towards it. It's an overview view, so you can able to navigate through and you can see. We also provided an option over here where you can configure it if at all you want to keep a view towards a couple of metrics together. That can also be set, and you'll be able to see those metrics for all the days. In comparison, you can have a quick view towards it. So this is how you're going to start your visualization on the journaling side. Once you want to deep dive into it, click on the particular day and you can able to see the list of options available: notes, trades, order flow, tags, attachments. So basically notes are the primary one where you're going to keep track of all your notes on that particular day. You can have multiple notes created, maybe during the execution time, or you have taken 2 trades and you're synced up and you start your journal, and after a couple of hours you find a good opportunity and then you're entering it again. You can do another sync and the remaining trades that get synced over there. So you can have multiple nodes that can be created during the execution as well. So how to create the node? You can simply click on this plus button and you can have your title. It automatically have some base information, but eventually you can do it. We also provided the option for the templates. So eventually there are templates which can be pre-configured, which has been already configured as well, and you can set up your own configuration towards it. So you can select which of the one what you want, and also you can set up the default one so that you can select that and it automatically populates. So once you select the template, the details are over here. Now you need to go ahead and make sure that all the information, whatever you are getting captured, that can be enabled for your review. So this is going to be completely customizable based on the user's needs, so that they can keep a track of all the information they want to capture on that particular journal. So once the journal is created, we have provided an option to analyze it and auto enable the tags, basically based on the AI setup. So based on your notes, AI analyzes that and it gets into a tag about whether it's the notes are based on the FOMO, or it's a neutral note, or it's like a full positive note, and it gives a discipline score as well. So this information is very much needed because we have a detailed analytics and insights that has been prepared. A score has been mapped towards it for the overall account based on all your notes as well. This is very purely a sentiment-based notes, sentiment-based score actually, which is going to give you good insights when you get deep dive into the reports basically. Now the next few options are like trades. You can able to see what are the trades that has been taken for the particular day. You can strategize it based on the symbol as well, and you can able to see all the trades that has been taken based on the symbol, based on different types, everything. You can sort it out and you can visualize that as per your need. On the order flow, so what is the time that has been started, you entered, and the full view towards orders that has been executed. And The interesting one is on the tags. You can set up your own tags, you can categorize your own tags, and you can able to configure that, and you can able to select it based on your needs. So just like simple clicks, you can able to click and it gets appended, and all this gets saved onto the respective journal. And finally, the attachments, where you can take a screenshot of the trading view charts, multiple other charts, any references which you want to cap it, and just drag and drop it over here. It is going to be mapped towards a journal and keep it available for the analysis purpose as well. So this need to be kind of a regular routine job on a day-to-day basis. Most of the heavy lifting is done by the system. You just need to make sure that you keep track of all these things, and make sure all the thought process what you have during your trading day that gets captured over here. In a long term, this is going to help you streamline better and get more disciplined in your trading journey. Hope you like watching this video. See you all in the next episode. Thank you.